Okay guys, I'm doing an impromptu unboxing of a package that I received from Lazada today. I'm not going to tell you what the package is right now. Um, that's really the reason why we're going to do this unboxing. Just to let you know, it's quite big. You know, it's not that heavy, but it's heavy enough. It's like about the weight of a shoebox. And the size is more or less like a size of a shoebox as well. Also, please note that I currently have a really bad case of sinusitis. So if that comes out in my audio, my voice, please bear with me. My face really is painful right now because of the sinus infection, and because this is an impromptu unboxing. It's not the ideal lighting condition, not the ideal audio, sound, location and condition. You're gonna hear a lot of noise in the background. I'll see if I can edit that out. So, without further ado, the mystery box that's fully encased in a bubble wrap. It's I can feel it. It's very dusty. So I don't know how it was handled. So it says anytime. I don't know what that means, what anytime means. For the retailer is Happy Choice. Okay, shipped through Lazada. Okay, let's crack this open. But gingerly. Sorry, I'm sniffling. Try not to sniffle. Hopefully you won't hear that in my audio. Come on, box. Reveal thyself. Okay, it's well packed. Okay. It's tightly wrapped in a bubble wrap plastic sheet. You really have to pry it open. There you go. So it says fragile, keep dry, upward. Okay, so it's taped up. So you can already peek and see a little bit of what this is. There's a black thing with a lock or latch. There's a piece of styrofoam on top, right? Keep it safe, ensuring delivery. So I'll take it out of the box. Okay, so there it is. So there's another plastic wrap inside. So as you can see, let's store this away. Safety first, people. Safety first. Okay, so what this is a faux leather covered watch case. Okay, there's faux well, there really is stitching. This is real thread. You can feel it. It's real thread. Okay. And the stitching goes all the way around the border. There's a glass. Well, I think it's plastic. Okay. And let's open it. Okay, there's this material here to stop it, make it open. They're up to a maximum of 90 degrees, more or less. So you have 1, 2, 3. Where's my light? Wait a minute. So sorry. Adjust my lighting. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a total of 12 compartments in total for you to put your watch in. Whoa! I'm sorry. Okay. This is some sort of cloth. And this is well, it's basically cardboard, but you know, it's enough for you to place your beloved watch and keep it safe under glass. So I have like my trusty watch right here. So let's put this in. So it's supposed to wrap around. Yeah, is it supposed to wrap around like that? Yeah, you don't have to lock your watch in. I don't know, maybe you can just do it that way. You have to figure this out. Okay. How I can keep it in this case and still everything fits in nicely. Wait a minute. A little bit of finagling. Okay, I don't want to force it. Yeah, well, okay, I forced it. There you go. So that's how it's going to look like inside. Okay, again, it's still dusty. I just cracked it open. A watch case from Lazada, which I got for, I think I got it for 799. Whatever corrections, I'll put it down in the comment. So if you like this impromptu unboxing, please give me a thumbs up. Smash that like button if that's the kind of thing you're into. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.